Welcome back, All American Motors. Today my dad is going to be bringing home a Ford Excursion. He's actually pulling it with a U-Haul truck. So we picked up this 2005 Ford Excursion from Pennsylvania off of a Copart sale that we found. It has a 4R100 transmission and a 6.8 liter V10 with 310 horsepower and 425 foot-pounds of torque. So we had to get a U-Haul and rent a dolly, and so basically my dad, he flew up there on an airplane and he was expecting to be able to drive the truck back home, but he couldn't because it had this major death wobble, as Fords usually do. Ended up later we found out it was just the...
Watch our upcoming videos to find out.
Yeah, that's right in line. We're unloaded. That went successful even with this broken ramp right here. We had to support it with the board. So yeah. Guys, I finally got it strapped back together, and I wanted to show you something. It articulates. It does crazy. Look at it. Like, wow.
By the way, this Ford Excursion has 290,000 miles on it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more about these legendary Ford Excursions, hit that subscribe button, follow for more. Whatever you got to do, drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks.